My dream home is finally ready, but it still needs the perfect entrance doors and windows. I want everything to look modern, stylish, and secure.
I don't know which company to trust for my entrance doors and windows.
You should contact Superior Windows and Doors. They're professional and reliable.
Really? I'll call them today.
Hi, I just built my home and need stylish entrance doors and windows.
We'd love to help, Elisa. Tell us your vision.
I want something elegant, modern, and secure.
These entrance doors offer strength and style. Our windows maximize natural light.
They look amazing. This is exactly what I imagined. My home is gonna look stunning.
Precision installation ensures durability and energy efficiency.
The quality and finishing are incredible.
This is beyond perfect, and my home looks so elegant.
We're glad you love it.
Thank you for making my vision come true.
The natural light feels amazing, and the entrance door is stunning. I made the right choice.
For premium entrance doors and windows, trust Superior Windows and Doors.